Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
It's been for about a year from throwing in softball. I'm a catcher. And it's just from on a scale of 1 to 10, probably about an 8 or 9.
Where do you feel the pain?
In my elbow around here. Throwing mainly, and sometimes when I'm bending it hurts as well.
Okay.
I'm reaching forward, but probably a constant pain of 7.
Constant pain 7, and you feel it right here. Okay, so I will have you extend your elbow and tell me if that aggravates your symptoms.
Right here.
How much from 0 to 10?
An 8.
And bend?
There as well.
How much from 0 to 10?
8.
What kind of pain? Is it sharp, dull, aching?
Sharp pain.
Sharp pain, and it's in here before. How much pain from 0 to 10?
7.
7? Okay. So is that increasing your pain? Okay, so we'll have you sit here.
It's gone now.
Done. Circulation, coordination. You don't feel it? It's a drink now. And let me know if you feel any pain. If you don't feel pain, just keep going.
Okay. No pain.
Okay? Keep going. Doing 10.
Okay.
As long as you don't feel pain. Are you counting? If you're not counting, we're going to do 200. In the camera. In front of the camera. 10? 10 more for me, please.
Okay. You're not feeling pain. Yeah.
It doesn't hurt, Jazzy?
No.
No way.
You're counting, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Are you trying to show off now? Keep going, keep going.
No,
Just 20 only, okay?
Okay.
Total.
that's two.
That's it. Those 2.
Okay. So, what do you think about the ASTR treatment? You just did 20 throwing now.
Now it doesn't hurt anymore.
It doesn't
It's
hurt?
gone.
You feel better?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've got quite a bit of pain on the inner tendons on both of my inner elbows, pretty much from overuse injuries, from training police dogs, pulling on the leashes, and probably actual taking bites with equipment on, but the pressure here
So I can
does
see
cause
like a
swelling,
little bit
absolutely. As
Yeah.
well as just constantly doing jiu-jitsu, which is very grip heavy, wrestling, pushing, pulling, and lifting weights almost every day. It's been almost 6 months.
6 months? Yeah. So what kind of treatment you had for that?
I nothing but just trying to stretch and try to open it up any way I can at home. A little bit of massage at home, rolling it on a lacrosse ball,
Okay.
that kind of stuff.
Did you have any injections or anything?
I did have a cortisone shot, one cortisone shot in each elbow,
each elbow.
and that was approximately, off the top of my head, probably about 2 months. It did feel better for 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks tops. But the pain obviously came right back. Constant pain is probably anywhere about a 5. If I start to move, like with range of motion, if I go to like scratch the back of my ear, now it's probably about a 7 of burning sensation.
When you're doing this, you're
Yes.
limited a little bit.
Yeah, I can feel a lot of pain
7, okay.
this way. Pushing down at the fingertips or pulling something heavy, it'll get to a 10 really fast.
Okay. And it's both of them are the same
Yes.
pain. Okay. that?
Really good.
Okay. Push. Feel your strength now?
Yeah.
Stronger now.
Yeah.
Did we do any strength exercise?
No, not at all.
Alright. Any pain or everything is okay?
Everything feels good.
Alright, you can turn around and tell me what you think about ASTR treatment.
It's great. I mean, for 6 months, I've been trying everything. Like I say, I even tried the cortisone shots, and I know it comes with a lot of risks. Obviously, this doesn't, which is kind of the main reason. And everywhere else I went to was just cortisone shots and giving me a bunch of pills and to deal with the pain,
Yeah.
which, you know, continuing
Does
down
not
that
break
road
the
is
scar tissue.
I'm just gonna mask it and hurt myself further. So
Yeah.
that's why I wanted to come here and try this.
Yeah. I'm glad you're feeling better. Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Baseball, I guess I've been pitching a lot.
Okay.
My arm just started hurting.
So how much pain do you feel there from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room, 0 is nothing.
6.
6. And is that like a considered constant pain or just comes and goes?
Like constant.
Constant pain. Where do you feel it?
I don't know for here.
Right here. How long has it been going on?
Like 1 to 2 years.
1 to 2 years. And at worst, how much pain do you feel like when it's good, bad?
Like 8.
8. And in your elbow, and tell me how much pain with that?
Like 5.
5. And you feel it right here?
Yeah.
Okay. What about
Like 6.
6 in here?
Yeah.
What about turning in?
5.
Okay.
Like, yeah, like 5 still.
So. Still feel it or it's gone?
Oh, it's gone.
Okay, let's move it around again. And let me know, do you feel any pain or it's gone?
No, I don't feel nothing.
Okay, alright, so you can turn around and tell me what you think about the treatment.
It was good.
You
Now
feel,
I don't feel no pain.
you don't feel pain? That's good.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.